Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Opera GX and install it. So first we go to Google, we type Opera GX and we look for their site. Click it. Now we go to download Opera GX, and as you can see it is already downloading in the bottom left corner. Now, as soon as it's done, we can right click on it and go to the folder where it was downloaded to. Go to either open or run as the administrator. A little black screen for a moment there. And we go accept and install and accept once again. And it is being installed right now. Well, it's gonna take a moment, so stay with me for a few seconds. It should be done in a moment. It's not a big file, so let's wait a little bit. Yeah, it's almost there. And okay, looks like it's finished. Now it's probably going to turn it on. Yes, it's this browser right now, the Opera GX. It's loading, but that's it. So make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.